Nasdaq and Dow Jones so far for the day has been trading bearish. We have seen US30 again going towards 38,880 levels, and Nasdaq 100 has seen the lows at 18,080 before bouncing back and recovering a bit. So now what can be expected today from Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? Whether we are going to stay bullishness from here or there is a possible drop further. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. First update, I had mentioned that possible bearishness can be expected, and see both the indices retraced. I hope you all profited there. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon to get the notification. Join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates as well. Let's start first Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. And yes, do join the channel memberships here on YouTube so that you can enjoy the benefits. Let's first look at the hourly charts for Nasdaq. See, it has created the bottom here. And remember what has happened. It has also shown a reversal sign here. At the end of this trend, it is showing a reversal sign. Thus, there is a possibility for Nasdaq 100 to retrace towards 18180, 200, 18180, 200 levels. Possibility is there, and in fact, we can see it retracing towards 18250 as well. So this is first point here on the hourly charts. Next is the moving average is crossing over here. This is a sign of bearishness, and this is going to be a greater resistance zone. Thus, watch out at 18180, 200. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour. Now, likewise on the 2 hour charts, lower lows are achieved, lower highs are seen, and it is trying to give a breakout. Thus, once you see Nasdaq 100 staying above 18160, you can buy, but then we have to be careful as long as 18200 and 240 levels are not breached, and it has a potential to reach to those levels before reversing. Stochastic rising from oversold, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts as well, we can see a reversal symbol at the end of the trend, which suggests that the prices might reverse. But also one must notice it can create lower lows before reversing. Also one must notice this was the support zone, and it is precisely trying to consolidate around the zone before bouncing back. So yes, precisely on the downside, 18100 and 18070 zone is something you should watch out for, and then below that 18030 levels will come into picture. If it trades below 1830030, do not think that Nasdaq 100 is going to come back. Stochastic is still oversold, trying to recover. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish looking downwards, RSI is staying flat here. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. Lower highs are maintained, lower lows means it can try to continue with the drop towards 18050, 18030 zone. So right now we have to wait for it to break beyond 18160. That is the only level beyond which you can buy, and expect it to move towards 18180, 18200 as the first target, and 18240, 250 as the next targets. Else it is still got the bearishness intact. It can continue to trade with the bearish sign. But also on the downside, see the zone here. Let me take this complete zone between 18100, 18070, 18030. This complete zone is going to remain a great support for Nasdaq 100 on the downside. Achieving those levels, again it can bounce back. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is flat. Coming to daily. Now before we look into daily charts and I provide you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch, where we share the key tools, strategies and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. You can write an email or you can ping me on the Telegram for details related to the mentorship batch. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So you can join the free Telegram channel as well, where you get the live market updates. Reach out to me for more queries. Do join the free Telegram channel. And yes, those who ask me to recommend a regulated broker which is available across the globe with lowest spreads and which offers a free account, you can find the link in the channel and video description. I do trade in the same account only. Now looking at the daily. Now see, first of all, Tech 100 on the daily charts. Here was the double top, and see earlier in the day I have mentioned that it has closed the day at the bottom, and thus it can continue to trade bearish, and it has continued to trade bearish. Now we also know that what it is trying to do, rise retracement towards 20 period, rise, and it could retrace towards 20 period, but before that it will wait for the 20 period to climb up a little. And remember, it has hit a support level, and it can try to show you swings. It can try to move towards 18240, 250 levels as well. Achieving those levels, we can see it reversing towards 18200 and close in red. So this is something you should definitely watch out. And If it breaks beyond 18250, remember we will look forward to 18300, 320. That is also an achievable level. Why? Because see, from 18200, 18120, 18080, almost 120 points, and if it shows a swing, it is going to move towards 18320, again 120 points, and it can come back to the same neutral zone towards the end of the day. So this is something it may try to do. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green, trying to converge RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 18160, expect it to move towards 18200, 18240, and then if it breaks beyond 18240, 250, stay bullish for 18300, 320, and from those levels possibility of a reversal will exist. Beyond 18320, we can look forward to higher levels towards 18400 and plus plus, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 18070 levels. Expect it to move towards 18030, 18040 first targets, 18,000 in the next, and below 18,000 is where the bears are waiting towards 17950 and 17900 levels as the next target, which are very, very good support level. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US30 on the hourly charts throughout the day, I had mentioned you to buy only if you see it is staying above 38,960. If you recall my earlier update with the Asian Europe session, this was the only buying entry and it is reversed from the same zone. Thus, again, if you see US30 is staying above 38,960, you can initiate a buying position. Else, what it is trying to do, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Where is the lows? 38,850 levels should be a greater support zone. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is almost bearish and it is not trying to cross over. But see, look at the moves here, rise, retracement, and a crossover here should bring bullishness. However, it is not showing much signs of it. RSI looking down, coming to 2. Look at 2 hour charts, 20 and 50 period crossing over here, making it a greater resistance zone, and 3 retracement candle, worst reversal candle. And if it breaks below 38,880, certainly we are looking forward to 38,840 and 800. Only and only thing is US30 has to break below 38,800 in order to confirm a reversal and a drop. Stochastic comfortable, now trying to look downwards, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, it has been trading in this bearish channel here. We have to wait for it to break below 38,880, then 840, and then 800. These are the 3 levels it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover, MACD bearish, RSI is looking downwards. Similar observation here on the 4 hour charts as well. Look what it is trying to form, a wall here and with lower lows. So yes, possibility for a stronger bearish candle exists from here, which can take it till towards 38,800. Be mindful of this. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD bearish, RSI looking down. Coming to now, look at daily charts. First of all, look at these 3 candles. It was trading with higher highs. It has come out of this channel. Certainly, it is a bearish sign. Next, it has got its resistance, and I will wait for it to just break below 38,880 levels. Certainly, we can look forward to 840 and 800. 800 is going to be my first target, which is going to remain a greater support zone. What is happening here? Just notice this: lower highs are formed, higher lows are formed, and it can try to consolidate its position between this. But yes, a break below 38,800 should be a sign of bearishness. The stochastic is comfortable here. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is flat. Considering this, a buying entry at 38,960 and a selling entry at 38,880. In between these 80 points, do not trade. On the downside, be very, very careful as long as 38,800 is respected. On the upside, beyond 38,960, you can look forward to 39,020 and 39,060 zone. Only and only if US30 trades above 39,060, you can consider this for a reversal, else it may try to drop again. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for more queries. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Do watch the next update tomorrow with before the Europe session, which also includes UK 100, that is FTSE 100 and DAX updates. So watch that as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow. Thank